This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Thinkorswim desktop. First, navigate to the official website to download the platform installer. It is crucial to ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Once downloaded, locate the installer file, typically found in your Downloads folder, and double-click it to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to complete this initial step, which usually takes only a few minutes. After installing, launch the Thinkorswim application from your desktop. You will be prompted to enter your unique username and password. This is where you decide whether to access your live trading account or the paper money simulation. The paper money account offers a fantastic way to practice strategies with virtual funds, providing a risk-free learning environment before you commit real capital. Take your time to explore both options. Now, let's personalize your trading environment. Thinkorswim offers dozens of customizable modules and gadgets. You can easily drag and drop elements like charts, watch lists, and order entry panels to create your ideal layout. Arrange them precisely how you prefer, perhaps with two charts side by side or a watch list above your trade panel. Remember to save your unique workspace configuration so it loads automatically every time you open the platform. Finally, let's touch upon some essential features. The order entry panel allows you to place trades efficiently with options for various order types. Dive into the advanced charting tools, offering hundreds of studies and indicators to analyze market trends. Additionally, leverage the comprehensive research and news sections to stay updated and make well-informed trading decisions. Mastering these core functionalities will significantly enhance your trading journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.